you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and I'm back with another video.
She got her up, shorty, should be that squishy to you. I'm feeling the vibe, she liking the style, keep it on the low. I bought the bar, she look like a star, we ready to toast. Shorty's bad, she really bad, she not one of those. She got her up, shorty's different, leave her alone. She got her up, shorty ain't tripping, she got her ghost. Shorty, she bad, she got it bad, she not one of those.
In today's video, we're going to be working with ARIE Pearl hair, yo. Crazy thing is, ARIE Pearl, when I first started doing wig videos, used to be my favorite hair company. And this wig just reminded me why they was one of my favorite hair companies, y'all. First things first, wig was straight out the box. Straight out the box, y'all. I did not have to pluck. I did not have to pluck, y'all. This wig was literally plucked to perfection. Same way I would pluck my wig. The box was so beautiful with the pink bow. I was about to say red bow. It was so beautiful with the pink bow. But I received the 18/613 22-inch blonde highlight frontal wig, 13x4. Y'all, the hair is full. I feel like anything longer than 20 is sometimes thin. So when I get thick, long hair, I love, when I say love, y'all, I love everything about this wig. First of all, lace is melted, okay? Lace is given. Hair is thick. I didn't have to add no wax stick to the top of my head, y'all. This hair is just literally perfect. I don't know. I feel like it's giving like a... What is that word? When you tone blonde hair, I feel like it's giving like a toned blonde. Like, it's not giving gray and it's not giving blonde. Like, this is like a toned... I don't know. It's like a ice. Nah, I wouldn't say icy. Icy is more gray. But yeah, anyways, this wig is fire. I love, 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 love. And one more thing, y'all. ARIE Pearl now has an app. So when you sign up and shop on the app, you will get 12% off. Also, a 300-point gift card, which adds up to $5 off. So y'all, you know we all love, you know, some coupons. So y'all go ahead and download the app, shop on the app. It's gonna be a whole bunch of different discount codes and all that good stuff. But y'all, like I said, y'all go cop this wig. This wig is fire. Off rip, when I took the wig out the box, I'm like, this wig is about to hit. And it did. So yeah, I would highly, 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 highly recommend the ARIE Pearl hair. The same exact wig will be down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Also, don't forget to download their app to get some money off on some wigs. That is all for this video. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.